This bike comes in at 17 pounds flat. It's not the lightest thing in the world. Could probably shave off a few here and there, but pretty solid. Hey everyone, this is a bike check. This is a 2022 Scott Foil RC20. MSRP, I think right around $5,600. This is a bike that I do some crit racing with. Just gonna go over some of the components. Running the Zipp 303S tubeless, 28mm. Got the Sram Red 10-33 cassette in the rear with a Rival AXS rear derailleur, a red chain, along with a Quarq power meter, running a 48 tooth 1x setup from Wolftooth. I definitely need to go up in chainring size. Could definitely use a 50 at the moment, but it's all right for now. Got some SRAM Force D1 arms on there. Just running a single bottle cage, single Arundel bottle cage, some Tursky bottle cage titanium hardware. I've got the specialized power saddle with mirror on there, just the titanium rails, not the S-Works version on this bike. Got 380 centimeter bars by 110 stem length, virtual stem length. Then just have the Syncros Garmin mount. Got some red brake rotors, SRAM red brake rotors with Rival calipers. So nothing crazy component wise. Pretty price conscious on this thing. Paint job is really cool on these Scott bikes. Green, fade to black. Pretty solid bike. Like I said, I'm running the 28mm tires, tubeless, Continental GP 5000s. Going forward, I think 30s might be the ticket. This frame can definitely fit 30s, potentially 32s. But I'm a very light rider, so it's not too uncomfortable for me. For crit racing, I think these wheels do a pretty good job. There are situations where I wish they were a little bit deeper at 45mm depth, but I think for an all-around wheel, it's pretty good. Sound check with the Zipp 303S. Thanks for watching.